And I've run it down here from TommusRhodus support. I'm just going to take you through setting up Visual Composer. Now this applies to various themes. As standard, Visual Composer, being a page builder, is only usable on pages as standard. And what I mean by this is in your WordPress admin area, if you go to create a new page, you'll see Visual Composer is kind of here ready to go. However, if you want to use it in other areas such as posts, as an example, or portfolio, then what you may need to do is to actually activate the plugin for use in that area. Now to do this, we simply go to Visual Composer and Settings, and here in the Role Manager tab, now by default it's set to pages only, so what you need to do is in the post type select custom, and here, depending on the theme you're using, you'll see a list of all the different post types that are registered. You simply tick the box relevant to each post type that you want to enable Visual Composer with. So we've just enabled it for team, which it wasn't earlier, so I'll hit save. And now if I go to create a new team member, we have Visual Composer ready to go. Now there is one thing to point out. In some cases the Visual Composer is simply not intended for use in certain post types, so obviously look at the theme. If you're generally seeing some code, so let's take another example. If you're seeing, for instance, with our Huntingdon theme, as standard, when you actually set the template up like the demo, what you'll see when you look at the demo projects that we provide, they kind of look a bit gobbledygooky. So you can see here, sorry, that's quite an English phrase. You can see here we've basically got just loads of code. Doesn't really make much sense. Obviously, if you're looking at that, especially if you're new to WordPress or have never used Visual Composer, this does not make any sense at all. This just means that your Visual Composer needs to be activated to be allowed to be used on the portfolio section. So once again, we go to General Settings, to the Role Manager, and we'll just tick that box next to Portfolio. And if we head back to that Vimeo post, there we go. You can see Visual Composer is all kicking in, and things make a little bit more sense, basically. So anyway, I hope this has been useful. Any problems along the way, obviously come and see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.